Take one.
Take one
Of day 6.
Day 6. We are in the car at Phillips 66 getting a pack of Mavericks Menthol 100. Well, Joel was. Now he's back.
Thank you.
He's in a bad mood.
Oops.
But that's gonna change shortly because we're here.
Yep.
And see, because he already almost cracked his line.
Almost.
Today I smoked 2 blunts.
Lucky bitch.
4 bowls of some crappy veggies, but it was pretty sick. Wow. Let's see what else. That's about it. Like, this morning I lost my grandma, and like I thought she was at my neighbor's house. I was knocking on the neighbor's door. I rang the doorbell twice. Like I called the house phone like a million times. Nobody answered. And then once I realized the neighbors weren't home, and then my grandma probably came back when I was upstairs, she was probably in the basement, and she was. So I was like freaking out. And
I sat at home all day and have been uploading our documentaries.